What do you do? Ți kya chuk karan? Ți kya chuk karan? I study in the school. Bı çus skulas mans paran. Bı çus skulas mans paran. I work in Infosys. Bı çus Infosys's mans kâm karan. Bı çus Infosys's mans kâm karan. I have a private job. Bı çus private job karan. Bı çus private job karan. I have a government job. Bı çus government job karan. Bı çus government job karan. I do not do anything. Bı çus nı kihin te karan. Bı çus nı kihin te karan. These were some generic answers to the question Ți kya chuk karan in Kashmiri. Please remember, wherever you use chus, it is an masculine indicator, and if you replace chus by chas, it becomes a feminine sentence. For example, Bı chas bankas maz nokri karan is I am working in a bank, but said by a girl. In the same way, for all the sentences in today's lesson, if you replace chus by chas, it converts that sentence as a reply from a girl. That was it in today's lesson. We will see you in the next. Bye-bye.